Hello student, welcome back to maths class, 3rd standard maths, topic number 11, money. All of you see the money na, where we use in the grocery shop, fruit market, vegetables, clothes, other luxurious items we purchase with money. Yes or no? Okay. Then, and where you give the money in the services? People like a doctor, lawyer, helper, plumber, carpenter. There also we give the money na. When you give the money, that time they check. That time help you. Now, see here. All of you see the money. You see there 50 paise coin. Now we don't use in the market, but see here, open your textbook, page number 86. There give the print. See, this one is a 50 paise. Paise, how to write you? In the sign, only write P. P for in the currency notes and coins. P for what you imagine? P for paise. And this type sign, Hindi R. This type sign, what you call that one? Rupees. This is come into within 2-3 years. But before this sign, whatever we use R, yes. R, yes means rupees. This one, yeah, this one. Anyone come? Okay. Next one. Rupees 1 coin. Rupees 1 coin. How to see? Here one right now. Okay. This one rupees 2 rupees. This one 5 rupees. And rupees 10. We also have different denomination. See here how many notes are there. This one rupees 1 note. This is rupees 2 rupees note. This one 5 rupees note. This one also in the market, but we don't use there. In the market also there. All of you see? Okay. See here. This one is a rupees 10. This one rupees 20. This one 50 rupees note. 100 rupees note. 200 rupees note and rupees 500. Then 2000 rupees note is there. Okay. Now 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? All of you know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. This is your equation. This one is your equation. Now open your textbook, page number 87. Page number 87, exercise. How many notes? See there, first one, dash dash notes of rupees 2 make rupees 10. What you do here? Rupees 2 rupees. You want here 10 rupees. Okay. What you do? 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. How many notes? 5. 5 notes of rupees 2 make rupees 10. Dash dash notes of rupees 5 rupees make rupees 10. 10 divided by 5. What is formula is there? Rupees divided by value of notes. You got there number of notes. How many there? 2 notes. Dash dash notes of rupees 10 make rupees 100. 100 divided by 10. 10 tens are 100. Right there 10. Dash dash notes of rupees 20 make rupees 100. 100 divided by 20. If you by headed table, that time also write easily. 25 is 100. Write their answer 5. Dash dash notes of rupees 50 make rupees 100. 100 divided by 50. See here 50 table also you don't by headed, so that time what you do, 1010 when 5 to the 10. How many? 2 is answer. F and G is your homework. F and G is your homework. Next one, question number 2. Take the notes that add up to show the amount in each bag. See here, rupees 10 rupees. Rupees 10. That time, tick there which note you use and you make a rupees 10. First one rupees 5. Okay, now how many remaining? 5 rupees there remaining. 2 rupees. This one 1 rupees, no? This one 1. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 10. You got there? Okay. Next one what? Rupees 50. You want here 50 rupees. See here 20 rupees one note 20 plus 20 rupees second note 40 rupees you got. Then 10 rupees one note. 20 plus 20 40. 40 plus 10 50. Now also you want here 100 rupees. 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees. Now 500. This all is a hundreds note. And how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want here all notes. Okay. All of you understand now? Now, see here. Write in rupees and paise. Write the rupees and paise. See here. A dot used separated there rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. The rupees written as a dots left side and paise written as a dots right side. See here. Here is dot and rupees where you write left side means here. Okay. Before dot is rupees and after dot is a dots right side is a paise. Okay. Now write in a word. How many rupees? 1. 1 rupees, right there with the spelling. 1 rupees, comma. When rupees completed, there give the comma. 1 rupees, 75 paise. 75 paise. Okay. Next one, rupees 40.25. How to write? 40. 40 rupees, comma, 25 paise. 25 paise. Okay, C1 is your homework. Next one, count there. Ones, tens, 100,000, 3,484 rupees 70 paise. Right there in words. 3,000 400 84 4 rupees, 84 rupees, comma 70 paise, 70 paise. All of you understand how to write. Next one what? 7,000 rupees 50 paise. Write you. Next one, they given you in the words. They want in the figures. Yeah, numbers. 79 rupees comma 20 paise. First one, give their dot. 20 paise right. Dots right side. Now 79 rupees. 79 rupees 20 paise. Next one, 130 rupees 10 paise. Give their dot. 10 paise and 130. 130. Write their ones, tens, 100 and write there in figure. Next one is your homework. 5,700 rupees 0 paise. 5,000 0 paise. 5,700 rupees. 5,700 rupees dot 0 paise. Next one what? 8,340 rupees 25 paise. 8,340 rupees. 8,340 rupees. Give the comma after rupees. And how many paise? 25 paise. Right there. 25 paise. Okay. All of you understand? Now see. Today's homework what? Page number 87 and 88 completed there. Completed there. Thank you.